Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I've been doing some little jobs around the kitchen. Sorry for the washing machine noise in the background. This is what I've been up to today. I'd previously put these shelves up above the doorways. This is the cupboard under the stairs and this is the entryway into the dining room. I use bits of Chester drawers, the sides, and today I've just trimmed the top because I was worried about bottles falling on people's heads. So I've trimmed them today. That was a nice quick easy job. I've filled this in here. There was a gap where we were looking for the stopcock, so I've put an old piece of skirting board that I got for free out the skip and a little piece of wood. So once it's all painted up, it'll look nice. Then I screwed into the ceiling here because I wanted a lamp over our kitchen table. This has got rope style flex wire cable. So I just need to go and get a light bulb today and that'll be pretty. So I'll just get a dim one just so we've got a little bit more illumination over the table, because we've only got one central light. This is an Art Deco French glass light. My main thing I've done today, yay! I've managed to get me pulley clothes area up, a Victorian style one. I've been meaning to do this for about a year. I've had the stuff there. I put the pulleys up the wrong way round. I put them, rather than going across horizontal at first, I put it the other way round. When I realised what I'd done, I was like, oh, idiot. Because if you look in the ceiling, see there's the other roll plug. And yeah, so I've got her up. Apparently I should have had a double one on that side, but I only had two singles, so I've just had to faff about with the rope. I've put the cleat here on the wall. I've made sure it doesn't interfere with the cupboard door. That opens up so it's next to it rather than behind it. And I got blue ones, they're lovely. Blue cast iron. So I bought the bits and bobs on eBay all separately. It wasn't a kit. And I just really made up so I can hang up little things like cloths, wipe cloths and tea towels and that sort of thing, and it's all out the way. And I think it looks really cottagey because I'm going for a cottage core type style kitchen, because when we moved in it had all this tongue and groove on the ceiling, so I thought, yeah, so it will fit in. So lots going on, really pleased, and I'm so glad to get that area up. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please like, share and subscribe if you could be so kind. Bye for now.